4. Translate word phrases to math notation. Earlier in this section, we translated math notation into words. Now we'll reverse the process. We'll translate word phrases into math notation. Some of the word phrases that indicate addition are listed in Table 1.2. Table 1.2. Operation, words, example, expression. Addition. A plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. B. Sum, the sum of 3 and 4, 3 plus 4. C. Increased by, 5 increased by 6, 5 plus 6. D. More than, 8 more than 7, 7 plus 8. D. Total of, the total of 9 and 5, 9 plus 5. E. Added to, 6 added to 4, 4 plus 6. Example 1.22. Translate and simplify. The sum of 19 and 23. Solution. The word sum tells us to add. The words of 19 and 23 tell us the addends. The sum of 19 and 23. 1. Translate. 19 plus 23. 2. Add. 42. 3. The sum of 19 and 23 is 42. Try it 1.43. Translate and simplify. The sum of 17 and 26. Try it 1.44. Translate and simplify. The sum of 28 and 14. Example 1.23. Translate and simplify. 28 increased by 31. Solution. The words increased by tell us to add. The numbers given are the addends. 28 increased by 31. 1. Translate. 28 plus 31. 2. Add. 59. 3. So 28 increased by 31 is 59. Try it 1.45. Translate and simplify. 29 increased by 76. Try it 1.46. Translate and simplify. 37 increased by 69. 5. Add whole numbers in applications. Now that we have practiced adding whole numbers, let's use what we've learned to solve real-world problems. We'll start by outlining a plan. First, we need to read the problem to determine what we are looking for. Then we write a word phrase that gives the information to find it. Next we translate the word phrase into math notation and then simplify. Finally, we write a sentence to answer the question. Example 1.24. How earned grades of 87, 93, 68, 95, and 89 on the 5 tests of the semester? What is the total number of points he earned on the 5 tests? Solution. We are asked to find the total number of points on the tests. 1. Write a phrase. The sum of points on the tests. 2. Translate to math notation. 87 plus 93 plus 68 plus 95 plus 89. 3. Then we simplify by adding. Since there are several numbers, we will write them vertically. 87, 93, 68, 95, plus 89. The result is 432. 4. Write a sentence to answer the question. How earned a total of 432 points? Notice that we added points, so the sum is 432 points. It is important to include the appropriate units in all answers to applications problems. Try it 1.47. Mark is training for a bicycle race. Last week he rode 18 miles on Monday, 15 miles on Wednesday, 26 miles on Friday, 49 miles on Saturday, and 32 miles on Sunday. What is the total number of miles he rode last week? Try it 1.48. Lincoln Middle School has 3 grades. The number of students in each grade is 230, 165, and 325. What is the total number of students? Some application problems involve shapes. For example, a person might need to know the distance around a garden to put up a fence or around a picture to frame it. The perimeter is the distance around a geometric figure. The perimeter of a figure is the sum of the lengths of its sides. Example 1.25. Find the perimeter of the patio shown. Solution. We are asked to find the perimeter. 1. Write a phrase. The sum of the sides. 2. Translate to math notation. 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9. 3. Simplify by adding. 26. 4. Write a sentence to answer the question. 5. We added feet, so the sum is 26 feet. The perimeter of the patio is 26 feet. Try at 1.49. Find the perimeter of each figure. All lengths are in inches. Try at 1.50. Find the perimeter of each figure. All lengths are in inches. 6. Media. Access additional online resources. 1. Adding two-digit numbers with base 10 blocks, open parenthesis, http://www.openstacks.org/lz24 add 2 blocks, closed parenthesis. 2. Adding three-digit numbers with base 10 blocks, open parenthesis, http://www.openstacks.org/lz24 add 3 blocks, closed parenthesis. 3. Adding whole numbers, open parenthesis, http://www.openstacks.org/l/24 addwinum, closed parenthesis.